Bharathi. I am from Sri Satya Sai district in Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my B.TECH in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. After completing my graduation, I have joined in Jspiders. Initially, I started with SQL. After completing SQL, I came to Jspiders. Here, I started with Web Technology by Satyam Kumar sir. After that, in a couple of months, I started with Python, which is taken by Saraswati ma'am. Here the trainers are very supportive and they will explain each and every concept very clearly. And also they will conduct grooming sessions, presentation classes, and mock interviews. Because of this, we can easily get the job here. And here they will provide 100% placements. And if you want to coming into IT field and searching for an institute, then I will suggest you to join in Jspiders or Jspiders. Thank you, Jspiders.